Here's how to add confetti to your Duda page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Go to Duda, and then on the main menu, choose Sites. Choose the relevant page you want to add the confetti animation to. In the example shown, we will use the confetti demo to go to the editor. Click on the edit icon. Click on widgets on the left sidebar and search for HTML. Please note that you can disregard the content you're seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. Now, go ahead and drag the HTML widget anywhere on your Duda page and drop it in. This will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier. Or use the text shortcut Control V for Windows or Command V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see that the confetti code is pasted into the HTML widget, go ahead and click on the Update button here below. If you did all the steps above correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! If you also want a preview of your site, click on Preview here on the upper right corner, then click on Copy Preview Link and paste it on a new tab. By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left of your screen. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.